Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the last class we have seen about the Reamer-Tiemann reaction with mechanism. Very important, don't be neglect beta. Try to make practice. Okay. And also we have seen about the coupling reactions. Almost all phenol properties are over. Just 2 to 3 objective properties are left. And also tests of phenol. Phenol को कैसे identify करना? What are the identification tests? Such 2 topics are left. We are going to be finished now in within 15 minutes better. Okay, in that last video class from phenols part 10, I am going to discuss some of the objective properties of phenol. In that, number 1 is Gettermann's formylation reaction. Gettermann's formylation reaction. It is also only for what I told you, objective point of view only. Good. So Gettermann's formylation में अपन क्या करना है? It is a property of phenol. Okay, I have taken here phenol. Benzene bonded to OH. It undergo reaction with liquid hydrogen cyanide. HCl. Liquid hydrogen cyanide. And also reaction will be takes place by using HCl, hydrochloric acid. इस मिक्सचर को अपन यहाँ पर कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. One is hydrogen cyanide and one more is nothing but hydrochloric acid. And Gettermann's formylation, it also going to be takes place in presence of Lewis acid. What is the formula of Lewis acid? Here hydrous AlCl3. And followed by here also we have to do hydrolysis, or simply we can say dilution. And here you are going to get a product. Same benzene ring I have written here, and it connected to the group is nothing but OH. Phenol group भी मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया. But in Gettermann's reaction, what is going on? Formylation is going on. Sir, what is meant by formylation? Talking of formyl group, nothing but formaldehyde group, nothing but aldehyde group. What is the formula of aldehyde group? CHO. Such CHO we have to be attack at para place. And such CHO we can attack at ortho place also, but that may cause somewhat repulsions. Okay na beta? So you are getting para hydroxy benzaldehyde. This is your product. Or we can say 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde. This is 4th place. 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde, or we can say para-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Good. So once again beta, phenol on reaction with liquid hydrogen cyanide and hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and followed by hydrolysis gives 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde, and we can say para-hydroxy benzaldehyde as you wish beta. Okay na? Right. So just upon phenol we are doing a talking of formyl group, aldehyde group. So this reaction is known as formylation reaction. Samjhe na? Okay. So what are the byproducts here I want to discuss with you. One nitrogen is there. Nitrogen goes to be removed in the form of ammonia minus NH3. And one Cl is there, again Cl goes to be removed in the form of HCl. Hey, listen carefully. Here we are removing HCl na beta. Okay, now the HCl means this HCl we are not removing as it is in the form. That hydrogen is coming from parasite of hydrogen, parasite of phenol. So the hydrogen which is removed from the para position of phenol combines with Cl and goes to be removed in the form of HCl. Actually यहाँ पर क्या तक चलता बोले तो first of all reaction will be takes place between HCl and HCl. इस दो के बीच में reaction चलेगा by the use of water molecule beta. Okay, so from this I am going to be take carbon, from this I am going to be take hydrogen, from this I am going to be take oxygen, CHO. It a toxic part of para place. And from para place we are removing one hydrogen that combines with Cl and goes to be removed in the form of HCl. So इतना depth mechanism आपको नहीं चाहिए, just to try to remember the statement. So phenol on reaction with liquid hydrogen cyanide and hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and followed by hydrolysis gives 4-hydroxy benzaldehyde. So upon phenol, attacking of aldehyde group goes to be takes place. It is known as formylation reaction. Good. So objective point of view, second reaction I am going to discuss with you. It is known as Claisen rearrangement. Which reaction beta? Claisen rearrangement. Yes, it is also only for objective point of view. I said here Claisen rearrangement. What is mean by Claisen rearrangement? How rearrangement is going on? It is possible in which type of compounds? Okay. First of all, I am going to take the structure. Yes, I am going to take first of all a ring, that is nothing but benzene ring. It connected to the one of the oxygen atom O, and you suppose O connected to CH2 bond CH double bond CH2. So given respective compound undergo heating takes place at the respective temperature 473 Kelvin or 200 degrees Celsius, and Claisen rearrangement takes place in presence of a suitable inert medium or catalyst that is known as diphenyl ether. Diphenyl ether. Now rearrangement going to be takes place, and what are the products are there, how the products are forming, I will tell you. Okay, listen carefully. So listen beta. CH2 double bond CH, this is vinyl group, you know very well. CH2 double bond CH is vinyl, next carbon is allyl. Yes or no? So this group is nothing but allyl group, completely allyl. Okay, and this is what? Phenyl. Allyl, phenyl, looking like ROR. What? Ether. So CH2 double bond CH bonded to CH2. This group is known as allyl. And okay, niche phenyl ring is there. So I am writing going to, okay now here as it is allyl. Allyl, phenyl, looking like ROR, nothing but we have to be say that ether. Claisen rearrangement we are going to be absorbed only in case of allyl phenyl ether compounds. So allyl phenyl ether compounds on heating at 473 Kelvin in presence of diphenyl ether. Now rearrangement going to be takes place. Sir, how the rearrangements are occurring? Listen carefully. And this is the most active site, orthoplase. From that orthoplase, I am going to be remove one hydrogen in the form of H plus. Such H plus goes to be attacks upon O minus. H plus attacks upon O minus. Okay, let me write here. Same thing I have written benzene ring. Above plane क्या है बेटा? O group is there. O contain minus. After attacking of H plus from ortho, it becomes OH. Okay now. But from orthoplase, what you removed? Hydrogen. Such after removal of hydrogen, this place will be vacant na. Such vacant place undergo, okay na, is substituted by, or we can say occupied by allyl group. So allyl group को नीचे shift करना, hydrogen को ऊपर shift करना. Allyl group undergo migration to ortho position and hydrogen migrated to oxygen. Okay, hydrogen migrated to oxygen. I have written here. And allyl group migrated to ortho site. CH2 double bond CH double bond CH bonded to CH2. Hydrogen rearrangement takes place to oxygen. Allyl group rearrangement to ortho's place. Just mutual understanding beta. Okay. Okay, very good. So this is your okay. Ortho substitution पे हो गया बेटा. Is it ortho place? What is the group is there? Allyl. Ortho allyl. Remaining is nothing but what? Benzene bonded to OH. Nothing but we have to be see that phenol. So always allyl group undergo migration to ortho position only. If ortho positions are already blocked by some other species, then we can do rearrangement to para place also. Once again, and one more important point I want to say that double bond adjacent carbon is allyl carbon denoted by star mark, and you denote last carbon is C14 isotope. C14 isotope. After breaking of this bond, pi bond undergo delocalization. Pi bond undergo delocalization means double becomes single, single become double. Okay now. So after delocalization of this pi bond, lost to CH2, it contains the charge plus. contain the charge plus. Now such plus CH2 carbon attacks at ortho place. That means यहाँ पर प्लस लिखना 14 लिखना पड़ेगा. C14 isotope. And this is nothing but CH single bond become double bond. So CH double bond CH2 star carbon we have to be right last. Very very important. So यहाँ पर सुनो perfectly और एक बार. In case of allyl phenyl ethers, allyl group undergo migration from ethynyl oxygen to ortho position. Ethynyl oxygen to ortho position. But listen carefully. In that migration, okay now, bond making takes place not with allylic carbon, takes place with C14 isotope. Okay now, vinylic carbon से bond connection करना पड़ेगा. So तुम यहाँ से कट कर से इधर shift नहीं करना बेटा. Okay now, after rearrangement, okay now we have to make bond with not with allylic carbon, bond with C14 isotopic carbon we have to do. This is very important point. And for suppose if ortho positions are already blocked, so we have to be say that this group we have to be attack at what na para position में भी अपन कर सकते हैं. If ortho positions are already blocked, in that case allylic group migration takes place at para position. But this is a fundamental equation for Claisen rearrangement. Good. Let me explain another objective reaction. That is nothing but mercuration process. Mercuration. It is also only for objective. Right beta? What is meant by mercuration? Simply reaction with mercuric acetate. Property of what? Phenol. Okay, I am going to take the structure. Benzene. Benzene bonded to what? An OH. What is the name of this compound? Phenol. Undergo reaction with mercuration, nothing but mercuric acetate. Hg in bracket में CH3COO taken twice. CH3COO taken twice. Because of Hg charge plus 2, acetate ion taken twice. Balancing was over. So what is the name of this reactant? The name of this reactant is mercuric acetate. Phenol on heating with mercuric acetate undergo the process mercuration, attacking of mercury, and it gives a respective product. For suppose at ortho place we can remove the hydrogen. From the ortho place, after removal of hydrogen, such hydrogen combines with CH3COO minus and goes to be eliminated in the form of CH3COOH. One of the acetate ion combines with H plus and removed in the form of acetic acid. So one more acetate will be there, mercury will be there. They are oxide ortho place. So I am going to be right here same thing, phenol. After removal of hydrogen from the ortho position occupied by mercury acetate. Nothing but Hg. I have written here. Out of two acetate, one acetate ion removed, but one more acetate ion is there. यहाँ पर oxygen is there. Okay, I have written oxygen. Oxygen connected to CO group. Okay, oxygen connected to CO group. CO group connected to CH3. CO group connected to CH3. Okay, yes. Now the compound name is ortho plus hydroxy group is there. Ortho hydroxy. And the ring is nothing but phenyl ring. Okay, ortho hydroxy phenyl. And Hg means what? Mercuric or mercury form. And remaining is CH3COO, nothing but acetate. So this is your product. Ortho hydroxy phenyl, mercuric acetate. Similarly, mercuric acetate group, it can be attacks at para position also. Again same thing, what beta? Benzene ring I have written here. Okay, connected towards the group OH. Mercuric acetate we can attack at para position also. Nothing but Hg connected to O. Beta same. O connected to C double bond O. C double bond O bonded to CH3. This is product number 1 plus, and this is product number 2. What is the name of this product? Same thing. This is ortho hydroxy. This is opposite. Opposite means what? Para hydroxy. Para hydroxy. Phenyl. Para hydroxy phenyl, mercuric acetate. Para hydroxy phenyl, mercuric acetate. Once again, statement, final statement. Phenol on reaction with mercuric acetate Phenol on heating with mercuric acetate gives a mixture of ortho and para hydroxyphenyl mercuric acetates. This is your statement for manipulation. Last and final objective topic, that is nothing but phenol oxidation with phenol oxidation with Flemish salt. Flemish salt only for objective. Okay. Phenol, what is the formula of phenol? Benzene bonded to OH. Benzene bonded to OH. Undergo the process oxidation is addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen takes place by using a salt, Flemish salt. Flemish salt going to be act as oxidizing agent. Sir, what is the formula of Flemish salt? KSO3 taken twice, NO. KSO3 taken twice, NO. Nothing but nitroso potassium sulfide. Nitroso potassium sulfide. It is known as Flemish salt. Now it is going to be from the product, and you know this product very well. It is known as benzoquinone. Because of from parasite, they have to be remove the hydrogen. From the above place, they have to be remove the hydrogen. HO goes to be removed in the form of H2O. And this is your product, what beta? Benzoquinone. And also we can say that para-benzoquinone. Para-benzoquinone. And this is your what beta? Phenol. Okay. Phenol on oxidation with Flemish salt gives benzoquinone. This reaction I have told you in case of theory also. In theory I told you that, once again try to remember. Phenol on oxidation with chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2. I have told you. Phenol on oxidation with chromic acid, H2CrO4. Phenol on oxidation with acidified potassium dichromate. 1. Acidified potassium dichromate. Number 2. Chromyl chloride. Number 3. Chromic acid. Number 4. Flemish salt. By using any one oxidizing agent, we can oxidize the phenol into benzoquinone. But Flemish salt using only for objective, chromyl chloride, chromic acid, they have studied in oxidation of phenol topic. So phenol on oxidation with maybe Flemish salt, phenol on oxidation with chromyl chloride, phenol on oxidation with chromic acid, it forms the product is benzoquinone. Okay, now beta. Last thing, tests of phenols. How to identify the phenols? Tests of phenols, or we can say identification tests of phenols. In that so many tests already you know very well except last one. Okay, let me explain number 1. Yes, I am going to be considered first of all phenol. Phenols you know very well whether, okay, now they are in which nature beta? Acidic in nature. Due to their acidic nature, definitely we have to be say that it on reaction with blue litmus paper. It on reaction with what beta? Blue litmus paper. Such blue litmus paper turns into which color? Red color. So due to their basic nature, due to their acidic nature, we have to be say that phenols they can convert the blue litmus paper into red beta. Next, go for continue. So this reaction gives the confirmation that phenols are acidic in nature. That only beta. Good. Next one is nothing but, yes, I am going to be considered phenol. Phenol on reaction with, very important this one. Phenol on reaction with bromine water. It forms a white precipitate. It forms a white precipitate. What is the name of such white PPT? A white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol. This is the white PPT formation you are going to be getting. So phenol on reaction with bromine water gives a white PPT of 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. This reaction I have told you clearly in electrophilic substitution reaction. In that halogenation topic, go and once again recheck Nana. Good. So third one I want to say that identification में phenol on reaction with very important reagent. It is known as neutral ferric chloride solution. Phenol on reaction with neutral ferric chloride solution, I have told you, okay ना, इस कीटोनल tautomerism में बोला मैंने. Phenol on reaction with neutral ferric chloride solution, it going to be form a color that is nothing but violet coloration of we are going to get that violet coloration of iron complex. What you are going to get? No, violet coloration of iron complex. I have given the structure also. Once again refer the neutral ferric chloride solution reaction. Okay. And on that I told you this is the reaction used for the detection of phenolic group. Next also one more thing is nothing but phenol undergo reaction with ammonia and followed by reaction with sodium hypochlorite, NaOCN, nothing but sodium hypochlorite. So phenol on reaction with ammonia followed by reaction with sodium hypochlorite, it going to be gives the conformation. The conformation color is nothing but blue color. So by the formation of blue color, we have to be confirmed that the given organic compound is nothing but phenol. And last and final reaction, it is also okay. Last and final reaction, this is also only for objective point of view. The objective point of view reaction is Lieberman's nitroso reaction. Lieberman's nitroso reaction. What is mean by Lieberman's nitroso reaction? इसका reaction बताने तो completely एक board full हो जाता बेटा. That much of lengthy reactions are there. But this is only for objective. They may ask you one small question. Of course, one question will be कम ना. Okay ना, आ सकता कभी कभी. But important topic है. इतना सारा explanation तो नहीं देना यहाँ पर. अगर मैंने दिए भी समझो, that is unused to you. So I want to give you one short hint. In that manner, try to remember. Definitely you can give the answer. Good. Lieberman's nitroso reaction used for the test of phenols, identification of phenols. So how to identify in Lieberman nitroso test? By the formation of color conformation. पहले अपने को blue color form, red form होता, बाद में red changes into okay ना, red changes into blue ना. Yes, I will tell you what is blue and what is red color formations. In Lieberman's nitroso reaction, this is the test of phenols. Means we have to be take 2 moles of phenol ring. Okay, I have taken here 2 moles of benzene connected to OH, so the compound is nothing but phenol. 2 moles of phenol first of all undergo reaction with sodium nitrite. This is step 1 here. NaNO, and followed by reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid. And followed by we have to do hydrolysis or dilution. Now, after using these 3 chemicals, phenol changes into red color. Phenol changes into red color. Sir, what is the name of such red color compound? Indophenol. So you remember that color and you remember the name and try to remember the structure. Okay, I am going to just give the structure of red color indophenol. How many benzene rings are there? 2 benzene rings. Ring number 1, but it connected to double bond N. Again such nitrogen connected to another benzene ring. Here this is known as phenol. So one of the phenolic group that going to be remains as it is, but another phenol in that some rearrangement going to be occur, delocalization going to be occur. So triple bond becomes converted into the double bond after delocalization, after reaction with this all. And remaining is, here I want to write one of the oxygen atom. This is your structure of what beta? Indophenol. What is the color of indophenol? Red color. Once again, 2 moles of phenol on reaction with sodium nitrite and followed by reaction with concentrated H2SO4, and upon dilution it forms the product is endophenol. That means phenol on reaction with this all reagent, it changes into red color. Nothing but you are going to get the endophenol. Again such red color we can convert into blue after addition of base. So step 1 में acid use किए, step 2 में base use करना, वो भी तुम्हारा mind में ध्यान रखिएगा. Good. So now it upon reaction with excess of NaOH. That means sodium hydroxide. In sodium hydroxide OH minus is there and यहाँ पर H plus is there. H plus combines with OH and goes to be removed in the form of water molecule. Remaining have to be club nano. Good. So what you are going to be get here? Yes, here you are going to get the product is same ring, endophenol as it is. 2 double bonds are remains as it is, and here it is connected to an oxygen atom, and right side connected to double bond N, I have written as it is, and right side it connected to what is the group nana? Phenol group, that is nothing but benzene bonded to OH, but H was removed na beta. After the loss of H plus, O contain charge minus, and also we can say that entire ring contain the charge minus. After loss of H plus, okay, now endophenol contain the charge minus. So that minus goes to be attacked by plus. What is plus? Na plus. So this is we have to be say that above structure is endophenol, and below one is we have to be say that endophenol anion. Endophenol anion. ऊपर का structure है endophenol बेटा, and this is what endophenol anion because of charge is minus. So such endophenol anion, it is in the color. The color is nothing but blue color. Once again, phenol on reaction with this all three reagent changes into red endophenol. Such a red endophenol upon reaction with base changes into blue color endophenol anion. So by the conformation of red to blue, we have to be confirmed that okay, the given compound is nothing but what nana? Phenol. This is your test of endophenol. Important problem. Okay, now is try to remember the names along with structure and color. Again, name, structure and color. स्ट्रक्चर तो एक बार प्रैक्टिस किया तो ऑटोमेटिकल माइंड में फिक्स हो जाता, बट ट्राई टू रिमेंबर द नेम विद कलर ओनली आफ्टर रिएक्शन विद बेस. योर ओके ना, रेड विल बी चेंजेस इनटू ब्लू, बट इनिशियली यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट? रेड कलर. आफ्टर रिएक्शन विद बेस यू आर गेटिंग विच कलर बेटा? ब्लू कलर. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सच कलर चेंजेस by using this given reagents, we have to be confirmed that reaction is Liverman's reaction and the product is not, and the confirmation given reactant is nothing but what beta? Phenol reactant was confirmed. So these are the detection tests of phenols, and also we can say that phenolic groups. Successfully phenols topic was completed, Nana, and tomorrow's class I am going to start the ethers.